Does AC cause hair loss? Yes, an air conditioner can cause dry and hair loss. It can also make your skin dry and lose its elasticity. How can I protect my hair from air conditioner? Drink plenty of water during office hours to keep yourself hydrated, as AC soaks out moisture on your skin and hair scalp, which makes your hair dry. Avoid AC at home and use desert cooler at night. Oil massage your hairs 2 times a week. Try to avoid AC during lunchtime. Don't sit directly under AC vent.
As I was saying, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.